Hello guys, so we're here at Winners. I found some Steve Madden bag here for $49.99. Oh look, I have this one. This is Kate Spade. I got one and it's 119 here, but I got mine on sale for 80 something, 90. So still, it's a nice bag. I find a DKNY tote bag for $99. Nice pink bags here. Oh, I found this one, a Kendall and Kylie bag for $29.99. Oh, this is cute. For $34. Anne Klein. What is this? It's a nice purse from American. Oh, it's leather. Oops, I wonder what it. Oh, a Guess bag. Let's see. For $79.99. This is cute. For $34.99. Right. West bag. This is for. Oh, here. $59.99. What else here we can find? Oh, this is a cute green bag from Guess for $79.99. I wonder what this one is. Oh, this is nice. I love the color. Cute too. For $89. Unica. This is a nice purse. Hey, look, this is so cute. But there's some. Oh, I found a DKNY. So this is for $59.99. A shoulder bag, DKNY. It's cute. Oh. And there's one here. And look at this, so nice too. For $34, I found this one. Oh, I like this. A Karl Lagerfeld bag for $79.99. I like this. Oh, it's so cute. I want to get this. Yeah, right? Another DKNY for $99.99. This is a cute one for a date. Oh, Ralph Lauren for $129. This is cute, right? There's a dust bug inside. Oh, and I found a Steve Madden backpack for $39, I guess. Oh no, starting from $99. So this is a green one. What is this? Oh, this is leather. Sorry. Let's see what brand this is. It's from Anna Paola, Italy. Oh, it's for $19.99. It has a cute color. A DKNY bag. This is for $129. And a Ralph Lauren tote bag. I think for $99. Nice one. Oh, this is cute too. A DKNY white bag for $99.99. And what is this? A Calvin Klein. Nice one. Oh, it looks like a double zipper. This is also for $99.99. I wonder if this is one. I think this is Bellissimo. I think this is leather too. Oh, Valentina for $99.99. Let's see over here what they have here. American leather brand. What's this? I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. Look at this. A Balenciaga bucket bag. This is for $1,299 and it retails for $1,850 and it's a Balenciaga bag. Wow. It might ring. Look, a gray Balenciaga bag. Great find, hey? And this one is a Marc Jacobs. Oh my gosh, I'm so amazed. I saw a Balenciaga bag. How about this one? A Vince Camuto bag. And guys, finally we're here in the makeup beauty essentials. I found some Sephora powder for $7.99 in the shade here light. There's 3 of them. Cover FX. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, I saw this one. Oh, it's an instant cheek maker from Revlon. So it's a highlight and a blush. This is for $6.99. What else? Oh, there's lots of BH Doja Cat. Oh, and look at this, guys. Oops. I found a Fenty Beauty highlighter duo for $9.99, and this is the shade, Sangria and Mimosa Sunrise. This is a great find, you guys. And another Cara eyeshadow beauty at Makeup Revolution Sophie X Glow. I think it's a highlighter. And we found another one. What's this? It's a 6-color face palette from Doja Cat. BH Cosmetics. And what's this? And Kevin Aquan face and eye powder for $16.99. What's this? Oh, a Cara Beauty. What's this? Peach Balm. This is the... It's open. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. 9-pan eyeshadow from Beach Bum. It's only $7.99. And I found some BH Cosmetics chocolate cherry truffle for $5.99, but I think that's opened. So this is how it looks like. It's a blush and a chocolate cherry truffle. And I found a couple of Fenty Beauty. It's in a shade Sandcastle and Mint de Mojito for $9.99. I've been wanting to grab this one. And a powder contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, light to medium for $24.99 from $50. So there's also this trio. Oh, we have this KVD contour for $12. What else? Oh, we got lots of NYX palette here. Mystic Petals. This is for $7.99. This is a shade. Some e.l.f. eyeshadows. And we have some Los Angeles BH Cosmetics and Tulum. It's a face powder. Oh, BH Cosmetics color. This is the shade here. I don't know, there's no price. Oh, look at this. I think this is the Cara Beauty one. Let me open it for you guys. Oh, I think it's sealed. So this is the shade here, some purple and greens. And this is the butterfly. This is for $9.99. Oh, and I found this one. I already got one. And I found a BH Cosmetics blueberry muffin. I think I got this one from the previous haul. And look at this. Oh, this is from Cara Beauty again for $12.99. The Free Spirit and Wild Heart. So this is the shade here. Nice color story. So they have some greens and pinks and nice shimmers. Oh my gosh. I'll keep it. And I found here a Mimosa BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibe palette. There's lots of palettes today. And this is from Rude Cosmetics, Whatever Forever. This is the color story. Some pinks and some blues and a little purple for $9.99. Oops. Everything's falling apart. Now we're going down here. So we have a couple of BFF, BH Cosmetics. This one, I don't know this one. This is a little bit of glam for $9.99. This is new to me. And what's this? Oh, this is from Rude Cosmetics for $12.99. And we found some BH Cosmetics. Take Me to Brazil. Take Me Back to Brazil. A very nice rainbow color eyeshadow for $14.99. And I saw a big Makeup Revolution kombucha eyeshadow palette for $12.99. Let's return this one. And I got this one before from Cara Beauty. This one's from Rude Cosmetics. More on Cara Beauty eyeshadows. What else? Some more of BH Cosmetics. And I've got also the avocado one and the blueberry one. And we have a ghost pepper for $6.99. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a Cara Beauty for $12.99 Behind the Mask. This is the color story here. Nice color of pinks, purples, and greens for $12.99. This is nice. Cara Beauty is a very beautiful, nice brand. Yeah, this is all for the eyeshadow, I guess.